farmhouse. Bea and Ate is ready for another plant adventure. We're going to the farm and see some plants and vegetables. Just careful because it's slippery.
Daddy, I found it.
Yes, what did you find? You found the blue flowers. And this one is a pink.
Is it pink?
Blue. Which one do you like? The pink or the blue?
I like pink.
Pink flowers. How about Bea? You like that? Pink?
I think pink. Pink.
Have you seen an orange flower?
Orange flower.
Over here, at the back.
Yeah, this is orange flower. I found it.
Orange flower. Is the orange flower beautiful?
Yeah.
Yes. Contact lettuce, nya. Wow. Are you excited to see the strawberries?
Yes.
We're gonna see the strawberries. Kita lang dito sa kan. Hi, Mia! Oh, are you having fun? Oh, we're in the mini farmhouse. Who's inside the mini farmhouse? It's Marie and Bea. Hi.
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 Mommy.
Bea. Look, there's a monster. There's a monster inside.
Also go inside the house because it's so humid. It's so dark in here. It's not dark.
Hey, say hello.
Mom.
Ayun, let's go kay Lola.
What's under there?
Bigger monument siya.